What if you could transform a rough and dusty dirt road into a smooth, safe, waterproof
Smart
thoroughfare?
E2
is a soil stabilizer that penetrates the soil to create a tough, waterproof road surface that can withstand heavy vehicles, constant traffic, and even airplanes and helicopters. Dust conditions range in difficulty depending on the surface: gravel, aggregate, clay, sand, and just plain dirt.
Smart E2.
A subbase for paved roads, suitable for heavy-haul road construction, unpaved road construction, and aircraft runways. Standard application further than just roads. Slope erosion control. As dyes are added.
Smart E2.
First, the dirt or gravel is tilled and graded. The soil stabilizer is diluted in portions that are appropriate for the type of soil and then spread on the road with a water truck. Then the roller comes in and bonding the stabilizer to the soil. The road surface will be non-flammable, waterproof, and will not be slippery when wet. It's resistant to UV, water, and alkaline breakdown, is non-toxic and environmentally safe.
Smart E2
is a remarkable American-made, patented acrylic copolymer that will revolutionize the way roads are surfaced.
Smart E2. Smart E2.